When you hand your data to Materialize, security is not just a priority, it's a commitment that directly benefits you. Working in some of the most regulated industries, we know security, and ensuring you have peace of mind is always our leading priority. It all starts at the top. Leadership ensures that every role and decision is made with a focus on your data's security, and you'll know your data will be treated with the utmost care when it enters our software. Surrounded by robust cybersecurity measures, equipped with ISO 27001 certification, and ensuring a secure experience every time. The same goes for data coming into Materialize. In the rare event of an incident, our responsive IT infrastructure and team rapidly address and mitigate any issues. Our security champions are your allies, ensuring that all departments understand how to maintain the confidentiality and integrity of your information. Don't worry, we're not stuck in the past. Our compliance team implements the latest cybersecurity and privacy legislation at every stage, so you have cutting-edge protection. And our processes are constantly evolving. Routine internal audits identify how we can better protect your information. Finally, there's one person who's fully dedicated to protecting your data. Our Chief Information and Security Officer oversees it all, keeping our processes locked down tight. Trust us, your data is safe in our hands.